$150 million. That's how much it will cost to get farmers back on their feet after the recent rains. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, policemen arrested for allegedly fleecing cashpot vendor and more calls for an end to violence against women. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.